Hello, my name is Liz Vilardi, and I'm Coravin's in-house trade specialist. Coravin provides ultimate wine preservation. You can serve a taste, glass, or more from any bottle of wine and come back to the bottle weeks, months, or even years later. Today, I will introduce you to the Coravin Model 3 Pro. This system was designed with our trade partners in mind and has increased margins and profitability for many restaurants while simultaneously eliminating waste. When you're pouring a glass of wine tableside with Coravin, here are some tips and tricks to maximize your capsule gas and elevate your pouring style to ensure there's no leakage or spills. First, load the capsule cup and make sure the needle is screwed on tightly. This is our Model 3 Pro, which has a 27 ml capsule, giving you 20 pours per capsule. Timeless works with natural cork wines, so we recommend cutting and removing the foil of the bottle for optimal needle performance and to indicate which bottles have been accessed with Coravin. For screw cap wines, remove and replace it with a Coravin screw cap. Align the smart clamps over the neck of the bottle. We recommend pointing the spout to the left so that the label is facing the guest. And push down firmly on the top of the device with your palm on the handle until the needle is fully inserted. Remember, flawed or damaged bottles may break when pressurized. We provide you with 2 Coravin wine bottle sleeves to reduce the risk of injury from broken glass. You may use these bags over the bottle when pouring with your timeless system. For this demonstration, we will pour without the bottle sleeve so you can see what is happening inside the bottle when we use the system. To pour, place one handle on the bottom of the bottle and the other hand on the system with your index finger on the trigger and your thumb in the handle. Tilt the bottle until the spout is over the glass. Quickly press and release the trigger 3 to 5 times to start pouring. If the pour slows, quickly press and release the trigger again. This technique is the most efficient way to use your Coravin Pure Argon capsule. Here's a tip when pouring multiple glasses: hold the trigger halfway down and the wine and the argon will stop, and you can move between each glass. When you're finished pouring, tilt the bottle back upright just like you would a bottle of wine that hasn't been accessed with Coravin. Keep the spout over the glass to capture any droplets. We'll remove the system by holding the bottle at a 45-degree angle and pulling straight outward on the handle in one fluid motion. When you're down to the last glass in the bottle, just pull the cork to save gas. And finally, we like to say clear, clean, and cellar. Press and release the trigger to clear the needle prior to each use. We recommend regularly cleaning by running the spout under hot water, and always cellar your bottle on its side in a cool, dark space.